this is Mark Henninger from Stereophile at the Florida International Audio Expo 2024. And I'm here with Chris Shaw from Focal Naim America, and we are going to talk about and then listen to the Aria Evo X #4 speakers, which are powered by the Naim Unity Nova PE. All right, Chris, tell us about this system.
Awesome. Well, like I said, we're really excited to be here at the show. With this is that we're showing some new products, as you mentioned, the Aria Evo X products. Here we have the #4 series. With this is we also have a #3, a #2, and of course a bookshelf #1 and center. So we're really excited, as this is the evolution of the Aria line that we had in our series for roughly a decade. With that is that we've got some new cone technologies, we've got some new technologies all together with this unit, and with that is that we're powering this with our brand new Naim Unity Nova PE or Power Edition. That gives us, more power into that Unity line. So starting with the speakers, so again we've had some really major upgrades with this product, and that being starting with our new tweeter. This is our new M profile tweeter. Advantages of this is that we have an extended frequency range that also gives us better off access listening with the new M profile shape. And so with this is that we can now extend these speakers or extend the room way past its physical barriers and have a much wider quote-unquote sweet spot for listening area. We've also introduced some trickle-down technology called TMD, or tuned mass dampener, and this is a weighted ridge that we have into the surround of the mid-range, and this ultimately is a technology that we've developed for our Utopia series, Sopra, Arcanta, and has now migrated into our Aria line. And with this technology is that we remove a lot of the distortion that we get off of the surrounds that we would normally be most sensitive to as human beings, that 800 to 3500 hertz. And probably the most noticeable difference is that we've increased the magnetic field of the woofers or of the mid-bass drivers by roughly 40%. So with this is that you're going to not only hear these speakers, but you're going to feel that energy that's coming off of them. Now moving on to the Naim Unity Nova PE or Power Edition. We have had the Unity lineup for since roughly 2017, and with that is that we've been expanding the line over the last few years, and with that we introduced the Naim Unity Atom Headphone Edition or HE, and for 2024 we are now doing the Naim Unity Nova PE or Power Edition. We've had a lot of people that love this line, the all-in-one feature sets with Tidal, Qobuz, Spotify, and ultimately lots of inputs, all native into the Focal Naim app. But we've also had a request for those that want to be able to run Aria #4s, Sopra #4 or #3s, Canta #3, so our larger speakers with an all-in-one solution. And so with this is that we've now taken the Unity Nova, which is still current at 80 watts by 2. We've now increased this to now 150 watts by 2, with the only difference being about a ½ inch taller in chassis size.
Right on. Well, let's give this system a listen.
Sure, let's light it up.
Thanks, Chris.
Better?
Vibrations of tremors that shook long ago, tear holes in the fabric of all that we know. Can't survive with the secrets we have. All that we have is a lie. Hold the line till the thread comes undone. If you're thinking of letting me go, then it's time that you do. If you're thinking of letting me go, then it's time that you do. If you're thinking of letting me go, bloodlines we etch when we merged into one. Rewind, it's far long before The world was on fire and no one could save me but you. It's strange what desire can make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you, and I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, don't wanna fall in love with you. What a wicked game you play to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, you never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you.
I would say just take it, Chris.
All right, so we've shown you guys the Aria product, and now we want to show you our upper end tier product. And so here again at the International Audio Expo, we have brought some of our Utopia product and some of our upper name product. And so first, let's talk about the speakers. This is our Scala Utopia Evo product. And so with this is that we are really happy to show a very limited finish that's limited to our FPBN or our Focal powered by Naim partners around the globe. And so with this is the ebony blanc finish. So with it, or translates to white ebony, again, an extremely limited finish, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And with it is that once the sunlight really hits us, it really comes to life as a feature. Of course, this being our Utopia series, that there's no holds bar. We use the latest technology to ultimately have the ultimate sound. With that is that we are running these beautiful speakers with our new 300 series classic product. This is a product that we launched back in 2023 and has been absolutely stunning. With is that we have our NSS 333 streamer, our NSC 332 preamp. Now here's something very special, is that we have the upgraded pack installed here, where the middle shelf is external optional power supplies. And with this is that we have ultimately are not using the power supplies in the stream or the preamp, and by upgrading or adding the power supply externally is that it's just that next evolution for sound quality. And last but not least is on the bottom shelf is that we're running a pair of the NAP 350 amplifiers. These guys have the ability to, or are rated at 175 watts a channel, or mono channels, and with the ability to peak at 1.7K or 1700 watts out of those little boxes. So do you want to listen?
Absolutely, let's go.
I see you. I see you go away. I see. I see myself.
Nice. Ain't no sunshine.
Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. It's not warm when he's away. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and he's always gone too long.